Now, mommy, let's put it in. See, they are beating. When I don't feed me because with rice kayan. I don't like him. I don't like him. He wants transfer. He's able. Jesus. So, Skype will pick you on that rain, yeah. So guys, look at the rice kayan. See. Oh, so delicious.
Delicious, guys.
Mommy is beating this
Kayan for someone
going to America again.
Someone special.
Americana.
Someone's with my heart. My heart to heart.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. It's mommy.
Pull it on.
Oh, pull your hand.
See. Let me get out there and eat the black coconut.
Now let us put you not say. Now wait. Now get for this kanya. Now wait. Don't now before this day they can be any back race. So when I get for Victor they do. Now they do. Cover the rest one. If you are not opinion responsible about you, Jesse can go to school. Yes, come on, Aya. Come with my eyes. I want to come out.
So, mommy, I can conduct interview with you.
All right.
Waiting then you use or make. What are the ingredients then?
Yes.
What you use for make this delicious red kayan yasso?
Well, this is Kenya first buy the rest. When I rough rest, when I will country rest, when I buy them, I wash them fine. I make sure no dirty or sand not left inside it.
All right.
I have them fine.
Okay.
Then after that, I wash the masaudo clean one as you can see. The masauda was and clean with soap and sapo with the masapensi.
Yeah.
From there, I buy granules when I country granules.
Yes, country. Go in Sierra Leone, not Guinea granules.
Not green granules. So
Salon country granules.
Salon country granules. I buy. Where this is any 1 cup. Now 1 cup granules. I buy the dress now 17 cup dress. The granite 17 cup.
No, the granite.
No, okay, the granite 20 cup.
It pass. Wait, mommy. You go buy first 14 cup. Where JT go buy?
Yeah.
Plus another 4 cup.
Yes.
Plus another 4 cup. How much it don't go?
No, say no.
It don't go 18 cups. Plus this way over 20 cups.
That was a 30 cup. That was just a 30 cup granite.
Yes.
Because if you want to let it granite, let it rest or fine.
Let it reach.
Let it reach.
Let it reach like how this day.
So as you see this kanyana ingredients there, I buy sugar.
How many cups? Because we want to teach people them for make this kanyanya. How many cups? I want. You know what I like do? All right. Wait, la wait it safe. Mommy.
Yes.
You know what I like do? I want to explain to people how many cup granules you don't use, how many cups of rice, how many cups of sugar, and other things there where you don't use for make this kayan.
Okay.
Yeah.
The rest.
Yes.
Na 17 cup.
17 cup rice.
Yes.
Yeah.
30 cup granite.
Okay. 30 cups of granules.
10 cup sugar.
10 cups of sugar.
Also again, little bit salt.
Salt. Okay.
So now then today.
Okay. So if first you want land for make this delicious sweet rice kayan. Mommy, don't beat too.
Yeah.
Benny.
First.
Mommy, if first you want make this delicious kayan, you know one day make them. You want make them. So how you go about for make this kayan?
Well, first of all, make sure you buy your country rice.
Yes.
If at all country rice not the outside you dey, you can do the
white rice.
The white rice.
Yeah.
What's na that white one, that clean one, also the
palm boil.
The palm boil. That clean one, that white one. You can able do one. Then make sure you wash and clean. There's and stand on left because this now mind you now kayan you get for inside, you know the wash side dey. So the wash and clean, grab one, put the dirty all.
Alright.
From there, soak and fine. You don't soak, they mix them. Make them flour, they patch them. We don't patch and fine. Stop now, I video. Another car. We don't patch and fine. You put her inside my sourdough. You because some man now let can where they smooth.
Una stop.
I don't let this. I don't let can. I dey see the one una okay una avoid there. Una avoid there. I know why una can beat na food. Una avoid there no.
JT, Tolon Pepe, commode. If guy in Brigade, commode. Seeing this straight cut, commode.
So, as I dey say,
yeah, mommy put the granite.
some man no want in Kenya for smooth too much.
Yeah.
So because now I like smooth, we don't patch am. You know for you know the shifter again. But if you want to let Kenya smooth, you the shifter.
Igbo mommy, you just don't cut no more the process. I want to start from finish. When you buy your rest,
Yes.
you gravel and fire, you wash am.
Yes.
From there, wait till they do am.
You the beat am.
You soak am.
You the sorry, you the soak am. But I'll tell you that.
Okay,
You the soak the rest.
Yeah, for
When
how
you
many
soak am,
minutes?
You the soak am like 30 minutes. But let's
Okay.
soak fine.
All right.
Then from there you pull am under the water. We don't pull am under the water, you can time let out the odd grain. From there you put inside your masaudo, or if you get blender now you blender because some man get in blender, but we not continue. Not
You believe say this is working a blender?
it dey work, yes. It dey
Okay.
work. So we don't do am, we don't beat am fine, shift am. Say until that is the drum. You dey there for shifter say until done.
Bitter.
Wait, yes, we don't done. Then if you put it, you pour so it clean. Put it inside, you make a patch and fine for say for like brown.
Yes.
The patch and say it's brown. We don't brown it's on. But you say na dey for disturb you. So we don't brown. A color don't start like a granite in color they don't burn. You know the burn oh. They turn inside the masaudo. Mix it here and the salt, small salt. Here and the granite. They mix am
The sugar.
with the sugar. So if you want ask me how are the process we use kanya, and so are they do am.
Okay, so we thank you for this explanation. I hope say some man go learn. We don't want to make it.
Yes.
Some man go learn for make am. Guys, this kaya is so delicious.
So delicious.
Contact girls. You see, you want for eat them. And this kanya they go straight na America.
America straight.
Straight. Me say I can beat kaya. I can beat kaya for people them. But me say okay for video.
Yeah. Una pina yana. The rain. Ata di. Oh, this day na me pina yana. You are sad the rain. Ah, the can. Oh, it's a you been out there.
Now be careful, oh, mommy you put. Jetty. This last guy go for reach past all.
All the mix together, yeah. Put her under first. Where the salt? Pina under veranda. Muna make it say we come under the rain. Where the salt? Look at.
What is our cup?
And this they put
Oh, me this thing. Abi, behind. Let's put this matter under the rain. Let the kanya no get water. Yeah.
So guys, that's it. Mommy,
Yes.
you know what I do? I want to explain to people how many cup granite you don't use, how many cups of rice, how many cups of sugar, and other things there where you don't use for make this kaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
The rest.
Yes.
Na 17 cup.
17 cup rice. Yeah.
30 cup granite.
Okay. 30 cups of granite.
10 cup sugar.
10 cups of sugar.
Also again, little bit salt. Table
Salt.
salt.
Okay.
So now then say they are.
Okay, so if first you want land for make this delicious sweet rice kaya, mommy down they don't beat too.
Yeah. Oh, let it down first.
Benny.
You don't know, let it down first.
Mommy, if first you want make this delicious kaya, you know one day make am, you want make am. So how you go about for make this kaya?
Well, first of all, make sure you buy your country rice.
Yes.
If at all country rice not the outside you dey, you can do the
White rice.
The white rice.
Yeah.
What's na that white one, that clean one, also the
Palm boil.
the palm boil. That clean one, that white one. You can able do one. Then make sure you wash and clean. There's some standard left because this now mind you now kanya you get for inside, you know the wash side dey. So the wash and clean, grab one, put the dirty all.
All right.
From there, soak and fine. We don't soak, they mix them. Make them flour, they patch them. We don't patch and fine. Stop now, let me back video. Another can. We don't patch and fine. You put her inside my sourdough. You because some man all let can where they smooth.
Una stop.
I don't let this. I don't let can. I dey see the one una okay una avoid there. Una avoid there. I don't want una can beat na food. Una avoid there no.
JT, Tolon Pepe, commode. Ibrahim Bigade, commode. See this straight cut, commode.
So, as I dey say,
Yeah, mommy, put the granite.
some man no want in Kenya for smooth too much.
Yeah.
So because now I like smooth, we don't patch am. You know therefore, you know the shifter again. But if you want to let Kenya smooth, you the shifter am.
Igbo, mommy, you just don't cut no more the process. I want to start from finish. Where you buy your rice,
Yes.
you gravel and pan, you wash am.
Yes.
From there, wait till the do am.
You dey beat am.
You soak am.
You dey sorry, you dey soak am. But I'll tell you that.
Okay,
You dey soak the rest.
Yeah, for
When
how
you
many
soak am,
minutes?
you dey soak am like 30 minutes. But let's
Okay.
soak fine.
All right.
Then from there you pull am under the water. We don't pull am under the water, you get time let that water the all drain. From there you put inside your masaudo, or if you get blender now you blender because some man get blender, but we not continue. We not
You believe say this is working a blender?
it dey work, yes? It dey
Okay.
work. So we don't do am, we don't beat am fine, shift am. Say until that rest dey done. You dey there for shifter say until e done.
Bitter.
We don't yes, we don't done. Then you can put it, you pour so it clean. Put it inside, you make a patch and fine for say for like brown.
Yes.
The patch and say it brown. We don't brown it's on. But you say na dey for this trouble. So we don't brown. A color don't start like a granite color they don't burn. You know the burn oh. They turn inside the masaudo. Mix it, get the salt, small salt, get the granite, and mix am
The sugar.
with the sugar. So if you want ask me how are the process we use kanya, and so are they do am.
Okay, so we thank you for this explanation. I hope say some man go learn. We don't want to make it.
Yes,
Some man go learn for make am. Guys, this kaya is so delicious.
so delicious.
Contact girls. You see, you want for eat them. And this kanya they go straight na America.
America straight.
Straight. Me say if I can beat kaya. I can beat kaya for people them. But me say okay for video.
Yeah, una pina yana the rain. Tata di. Oh, this thing na me a pina yana. You are sad the rain. Ah, the ground. Oh, it's a been out there.
Now be careful, oh, mommy put. Jetty. This last guy get for reach past all.
All the mix together, yeah. Put her under first. Where the salt? Put her under veranda. Muna make it say we come under the rain. Where the salt? Look at that.
What is our cup?
And this they put
Oh, me this rain. Abi, behind. Let's put this matter under the rain. Yeah, let the kanya no get water. Yeah.
So guys, that's it.